Hey girls.
Hey.
I just saw you from over there and just I thought you were really cute, so I'm wondering if I could sing you like a love song.
Sure.
While you wait. Do you like the way I flick my tongue or not? You can ride my face until you're dripping. Can you lick the tip and throat the or not? Can you let me stretch that
Get
out?
out of here with that. Seriously? You're so perverted.
I'm like joking around.
Come on, go over there.
Alright.
What are you doing?
I'm waiting for the bus.
Can you wait for it somewhere else?
No. It's a free country, so I'm gonna just wait for the bus.
Zalman, what are you doing here? I have Justin Bieber in the studio waiting. You're an hour late. We gotta go.
So my phone died. I was gonna just take a bus there.
No,
You
we're
don't
taking
Justin
a bus.
Bieber?
We gotta go.
Yeah.
He's waiting.
I'm about to record a song with him. I'll see you guys later. You guys wanna come? Oh.
You gonna bring them?
Is that okay?
Yeah, they could come. Hey, just one of you come on this side though.
You up?
Yeah, just don't get your feet on the seats or anything. It's brand new leather. There you go.
You ever been in a Rolls Royce before?
Like one other time, I think.
Can I just sing you one more song before we go?
Sure. You have a beautiful voice.
Thanks.
Really good guitar.
I don't fuck with you. You little stupid bitch, I ain't fucking with you. No, no. You little dumb bitch, I ain't fucking with you. I got a million trillion things that I'd rather fucking do than to be fucking with you. So get out the rolls, we're driving away. You cannot meet Justin Bieber today, no, no. We're driving away. Move, get out the way, get out the way, get out the way. No JB for you.
Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to click the link at the top of the description or the annotation below to see another new video. Me and Zalman filmed a music video for our song Blessed Like Me. It's amazing. Go check it out and we'll see you guys next week with a new video. Peace.